President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's mismanagement of Nigeria's economy has entered a new dimension as Meta, the owners of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, has threatened to shut down operation in Nigeria, and with it will go $2.5 billion annual investment in Nigeria because of Tinubu's quest for revenue. Because Tinubu is known that he generated revenue in Lagos State. So what he did in Lagos is going to do it nationwide. Now that quest to tax, to exact as much fine as possible from people, corporations, and individuals is going to cause this country to lose Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp that contributes annually. I will show you with data, $2.5 billion annually is going to be lost because the Tinubu administration has imposed $290 million fine on Meta, and they are threatening to shut down operation in Nigeria. And I will show you how Meta had been able to create millions of jobs in Nigeria, something that the Tinubu administration had never been able to do. And I will also show you about 10 companies, big corporations that have left Nigeria since Tinubu became president. And now you want to add to that list, to what he has done or what they are threatening to do to Meta, and Meta cannot have it. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, Facebook annually is estimated, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, it's estimated their contribution to the Nigerian economy annually is about $2.5 billion. Now, look at what is going on now. Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, their parent company, Meta, said it may be forced to shut down its operations in Nigeria after the tribunal insisted that it must pay $290 million fine slapped on it in July 2024. Meta was also asked to pay Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission, FCC, as an additional $35,000 as the cost of investigation. The Advertising Regulatory Council of Nigeria fined the company 60 billion naira, equivalent of $37.5 million. And the Nigeria's Data Protection Commission fined them $32.8 million, bringing the total to $290.3 million. Meta said it may be forced to effectively shut down the Facebook and Instagram services in Nigeria in order to mitigate the risk of enforcement measures. Nigeria had accused the social media giant of violating the country's data protection and consumer rights laws on Facebook and WhatsApp. The FCCPC's Chief Executive Officer, Adam Abdullahi, said the investigations carried out in conjunction with the Nigeria Data Protection Commission between May 2021 and December 2023 revealed invasive practices against data subjects consumers in Nigeria. Now, there are some things we have to look into because we are talking about the economy of Nigeria. You know that since Tinubu became president of Nigeria, Nigerian economy has worsened. He has worsened the situation, even though they pretend that they are carrying out reform. But those reforms have done more damage than ever to the economy of Nigeria. Now, let us look at Nigeria's digital economy. These are the key data that are backed by World Bank. Nigeria's digital economy size is $15 billion annually. That is according to the World Bank and the industry estimates. Now, Meta platforms, that's Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook, they control about 70 to 80% of Nigeria's digital and social media activity. 70 to 80%. This, I'm telling you, these are World Bank data. Now, these are the daily active users. 30 million Nigerians use Facebook on a daily basis. And you know what it does. Millions of youths in this country, they don't have job. The government have failed woefully to provide them job. Facebook has become a source of earning for them, not for anything in terms of whatever they use it for, so many things that have been able to empower them, something that the Tinubu administration has never been able to do. Now, Facebook, 30 million Nigerians use Facebook daily. 33 million people use WhatsApp daily. Instagram, 15 million Nigerians use it daily. Now, this data is from Statista and Data Reporter 2024. Now, if you want to quantify the implication of Meta shutting down Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp in Nigeria, you have to look at it from the perspective of direct and indirect cost that it is going to have on Nigerians. Because it's going to affect sectors like the digital advertising, e-commerce, SMEs, informal trade communications, and gig work. Just go to Facebook, go to Instagram, and see what Nigerians, how they are surviving in spite of the Nigerian factor. Now, here is a conservative estimate using available data on the impact of the impact of on the impact of Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram leaving Nigeria. Look at what will happen to Nigeria if these organizations are to leave. What it would cost the Nigerian economy. Over 5 million Nigerians, 5 million SMEs, over 5 million SMEs, they use these platforms. They depend on these platforms for consumer communication, marketing, and sales. Consumer communications, marketings, and sales. Then they have an average annual advertisement that are spent on Meta in Nigeria is estimated to be 150 million to 200 million, mostly from SMEs and corporations and corporate bodies. Then you have informal trade and communication reliance. Informal trade and communication reliance. Informal trade and communication reliance, which are critical for logistic, payments, and customer service. For logistic payment and customer service. Then you look at, for example, now, in this country, Nigeria, people find it difficult to get a job. For you to get a job in Nigerian government, you must be connected to the politicians. But you don't need to be connected to the politicians to use the Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp to improve your life, to earn a living online. That is what this Tinubu government wants to be shut down by their greed in imposing that fine. They claim that they are using data. Which data are they talking about? Whose data? It's me and you, our data. They are talking about that because they are using our data. Who sent them to defend our data? The ones that have they been able to protect us from killer herdsmen and bandits that are terrorizing this country? Data privacy is important. And I am among those who believe that the data privacy of Nigeria should be protected. Okay? The data privacy of Nigeria should be protected. I'm not against this protection. We should protect it. But if we are protecting it, we can't protect it at the expense of ordinary Nigerians who are suffering from their poor mismanagement of Nigeria's economy and resources. Even the money that are already in the country, what have they done with it? Let us assume that even if Meta decide to pay them this 290 million, what would they do with it? What have they done with the ones they got? How have the ones they got from our warrior been able to touch our lives? Now they want to jeopardize people's future by trying to force these people out of Nigeria. What kind of country are we running? Since Bola Ahmed Tinubu became president, Nigeria's economy has been hemorrhaging to a point that I've never seen before. Even the New York Times and Financial Times of London, they say what we are witnessing in Nigeria is a generational depression that nobody have ever seen before. And they want to compound it. Because if these people leave Nigeria, it's going to cost us a lot. I told you, I'm using World Bank estimate, $2.5 billion. That's what Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp contribute to the economy of Nigeria annually, according to the World Bank. And these people, out of their greed, they want to impose 290 million talking about data. And then as advertising commission of Nigeria, this advertising council of Nigeria, they are mad that people, before, what they do is that you can't advertise without paying them commission. It is all about their own selfish interest. The world has moved beyond them. They feel that they should be controlling adverts that are digital adverts, because now if you want to put advert in the newspaper, they will tell you that it has to pass through them so that they will collect the commission. They claim that they know much about advertisement. Before you put advert, they must be the one to approve it. But if that advert cause a libelous problem for you, they will not come there to be in the court with you. So they are among the people creating the problem, because they are envious that digital advert is not passing through them, and digital advert has even overtaken the analog advert you see in the newspapers, in the newspapers and magazines that you can carry in your hands. Okay. So they want to have a piece of that pie. They want to have a piece of that pie. That's what all this is all about. It's not about me and you. It's all about their selfish interests. So I'm not saying that data should not be Nigerian data should not be protected, but we should be able to be careful what we do, so that we don't risk the few available jobs that Nigerians have been able to create for themselves, in spite of the Nigerian factor in Nigeria, in spite of Nigeria happening to them. Now, since President Bola Tinubu, I want you to take note of 10 big corporations that have left Nigeria because of Tinubu's so-called economic reform. Number 1, Procter and Gamble, P&G. Number 2, Unilever. Number 3, GlaxoSmithKline, GSK. Number 4, Sanifo Aventis. Number 5, Aquino. Number 6, Bolt Food. Number 7, Jumia Food. Number 8, Microsoft. Number 9, Kimberly Clark. And number 10, PZ Cuisines. Their exit was a reflection of their rejection of President Bola Tinubu's so-called economic reforms. And what was the challenges they faced that made them to leave? They talk about economic instability, currency volatility, and regulatory uncertainty. That was why they left. I just read for you the top 10. Several have left because of Tinubu's mismanagement of Nigeria's economy. Now you want to add Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp among companies that will live in this country. I don't know what you think about this. What do you think Nigerians should do to ensure that we don't have this kind of leaders controlling the destiny of Nigerians in 2027? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you.